Welcome back everybody to another art video. Hopefully you guys will like the art process for this one. It's another Inktober prompt. I'm going to be doing, I think, day 17. Today's prompt is journal. I might just, to keep it simple, I might just make it an actual journal, like a journal prompt. So yeah, that's typically what goes into my head when I brainstorm. It's like, how do I keep this simple for the sake of my sanity? If it was during any other normal day, I feel like I would have been a little bit more ambitious. And I am ambitious for the most part. I want to still do good art. But I also have to remind myself that if I'm going to do this for the next 31 days, I really mean it when I say I really don't want to spend like 5 hours or something every day just to make a really nice looking illustration. Also, please excuse the barking dog. We have some stray cats that we take care of. So when I was sketching this piece, I was kind of tired, which is why I decided to make it simple. I just decided I'm gonna do a skeleton dog journal entry and that's it. Nothing else. There's no need to do more than that, which is why I did that. But then I came up with a wholesome little concept, which I did not execute, unfortunately, because I am so tired and I could really need the extra sleep. Yeah, I was gonna make it so the skeleton dog is also like on the, I guess, writer's lap. I thought that would be pretty cute. Someone's writing like a journal about a skeleton dog, noting their observations, but at the same time the dog is just right there. I mean, skeleton dog. Didn't really add anything from the initial sketch except for later. I added like the object's skull head just in the front now. You know, so he's looking at you while you're reading instead of having the dog on your lap. So much more menacing. I wanted to be a little bit more wholesome this time around, but when you don't have the time or energy, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. After I started sketching and inking, the game plan was fairly simple. I was just gonna make the background black, and then I decided to add a little spooky dog skeleton at the top, like, what you're reading. And I like the idea. Did I execute it that well? You tell me in the comments. It would be really nice to hear what you guys think, if I did well, if you guys think it's any good. So, if you found this video to be entertaining in the slightest, or perhaps you found it relaxing, please don't hesitate to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to get another video.